Welcome friends to channel Reza Blade. This is Reza and this is my second unboxing of the day. I have a Beautometry box this time. This is really exciting. I do like how it says please fragile handle with care on here because yes, I don't want my nail polishes to drop. So I'm going to pull this out of the box, see what I got. See what all I got. Oh, it looks like they did some decals in here with my order, so I'll go ahead and put those where my decals go. Make sure there's nothing else in this box envelope, and let's see what I got. Yes, I have their business card already, so I'm going to set that aside. These are all so very well wrapped. I can't get in here. I'd rather have it too well wrapped than not well wrapped enough. Am I right or am I right? Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's a Masura magnetic polish. And I'm gonna swatch it. I don't know if that... Probably not the best place to swatch. I had a magnet over here. I could see if it wants to play with my magnet. Sorry, I'm extra dirty today. I've been doing 80 swatches. Oh yeah, you can see it did it. I'm showing you the wrong thing. God, that's gorgeous. That is neat. Cool beans. All right. So that is Masura Paradise. Very cool. Or Paradiso. Is it Paradise or Paradiso? I think it's Paradise. Paradise. There we go. Decided. And we've got some Moa. Now these are, I'm just going to cut into these. I know what these are. I'm very excited about these. These are made by my friend Michelle. Okay, very cool. We have Pool Party, which is like so. Isn't that gorgeous? It's a gorgeous blue. And I'm all about the metallic stamping polishes. Love Hit the Bottle. Alright, so last polish to open is Emeralds Are Forever. And I'm going to show you how that looks. Love that. Believe it or not, emerald green, I know that's a popular color. I don't have any stamping polish that exact same color. I love this. Love it. All right. So let's get in here. And I always cut these. I guess half the fun in an unboxing video is seeing people struggle with packaging. Maybe that's true. All right. What do we got here? We've got Powder Perfect. The other plate I have from Powder Perfect is an Art Nouveau plate, and that is beautiful. Now that I have another one from them, maybe I'll do them both in a review, or maybe just one at a time. I don't know. but let me show you this beautiful plate. It's scratched a couple times. I hope that comes off when that's not, it feels like that scratch is etched in there. That could be a real concern. I don't know if you can see that scratch. Well, that would suck. All right. And I'm going to do it the right way this time. This is how one is to pull off the blue backing. I'm not even going to look at the others first. I want to know if that scratch stamps, because that would really stink. Okay, the last look at these before I get rid of them. I'm about to stamp. There we go. Here's some more pretty color. All right. So let's stamp. This way you guys get to see. Where was it? If I can't even find it now that, oh. I think it's going to be okay. Right here is where it would show if it weren't going to be okay. So let me take my new Hit the Bottle polish. My Born Pretty scraper. Well, no. So this is one of those where you kind of have to clean off the plate before you get to it. I'm going to use my stamper. Hold on. I sighed. Yes, I sighed. Sorry. Really I didn't expect to have to test a plate right away. I was just doing a simple unboxing. I want to know. I'll let you guys know if I think it's going to be all right. Well, I guess hey, we'll find out in the review. I'll swatch this in the review. So anyway, let me show you this plate now that I've derailed us for about a minute and a half. Such an awesome plate. This one's called Kings and Castles. Love it. Absolutely love it. All right. So, well, let's move on with this instead of worrying about a little scratch. Sorry, I got really scared there for a second. Oh no. All right. This is the Circus number 7. From MoU London, and it's a mystical one. Who would have guessed, right? Of course, it's a mystical one. This one has palmistry. It's got tarot advertisement. The Illuminati. Anyway, I think this is a really fun plate. Oh, look at all those eyes. That's so cool. So, yeah, I'm really excited about this one. And then I've got typography number 10. Guess what? More mystical stuff. Got a tarot, a Ouija plate. There we go. So upset I didn't have this at Halloween. So upset. This is so cool. Okay. So just one more thing to show you, and then I'll send you on your way for your day. I still have to record my review for today. All right, this is from Messy Mansion, located in Australia. And I got some Macintosh roses. Yep. I love Art Nouveau, and this felt very Art Nouveau to me. Really neat. Kind of William Morris feel also. Beautiful. Anyway, that is my shipment from Beautometry, and I'm excited, and I'm more excited, and I'm so excited. I cannot be more excited. Okay, so I want to go play with my goodies, and that means reviews for you guys. So anyway, please subscribe to my channel. It really does help small YouTubers like me. Every subscriber helps, and I love you all. So I answer questions and comments right away. If I don't see it, just yell at me. But anyway, but thank you for joining me today. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you later. Bye.